Thank you very much. Uh, Welcome to the CRIDAI.
ब्लैक क्यों आ रहा है?
A very warm welcome to the CRIDAI dignitaries, board members, Vijay Gandhi ji, Shivastav ji. Thank you for coming in here. It's actually a good opportunity that you people are here to witness a project by coming into Bhopal. I also thank Shailen Bhai, Bhupen Bhai, who took up my request on an immediate basis of just a few hours. It so happened that we had met 2-3 months back in one of the IRWA meetings where they had invited me. I had come from Bhopal and there I had discussed with them to seek an opportunity to give a preview of this project of Bhopal in Indore. And we were supposed to be here to be putting a stall in the global trade fair which is happening as a result of the and I'm once again thankful that they took it up and they confirmed to me within the next 1 hour that yes, we will be there and you come and give the presentation. We have made it by getting a WhatsApp invite just yesterday evening. Thanks once again. I hope this project interests you as much as it is interesting me, and you find it lucrative for your business. Present the project Bansal 1. So I'd just like to start with the video which will give you a brief of the whole project.
The new railway station in Bhopal, better known as the Beacon, is being redeveloped under public-private partnership project. It will go through a phenomenal transformation to become the country's first-class integrated railway station. The station and the...
So I just like to understand what this master plan is, because the entire essence of this project is close to 1.2 kilometers from BB Mall on the same road. Rather, we are right in the midst of the Arera colony, and we are right opposite the Arera colony, which is the most dense and the primary catchment of Bhopal for everything. I am lucky that we have a lot of members of IRWA here who are well adverse to the industry of retail real estate, and they understand the importance of this location as far as retail real estate is concerned. Of Habibganj, it's very well known monument. It's an important monument as far as the history of the Indian Railways goes. This was the first ISO 9001 declared railway station of the country, and that was one of the major reasons that the government gave Habibganj Bhopal the first opportunity to be the first public-private partnership railway station. What you see here is the upcoming new station that we are building. Difference in this railway station and the other railway stations is the segregation of people boarding and deboarding the train. It's just like an airport. People who come to board the railway station actually boarded, the passengers deboard from the train. They will go down into a tunnel, which is also known as a subway, and cross all the platforms either to the east side or to the west side. That is either they want to come out from platform 1 or they want to come out from platform 5, which is towards the BSEL side. The passengers who are waiting up to catch their trains, once the train is empty and clean, these people, your mobile phone will have a biometric code which you will scan and the gate will open. No TT checking will be there. It will be taken as you are now boarding the train. You will go down on the escalators, get into the check, has been recommended by the government till they are sure that people, and this shopping mall is like a regular shopping mall, DB, Treasure Island, all others. But this is going to be a 100% leased mall with a multiplex. Government is assuring proper facilities and amenities for the passengers, but still it will take a lot of time, and that is where we can encash. Today there are more than 20,000 people traveling as noted by ticketing from and to Habibganj. Only 11% is the passenger that travels without reservation, that is from in general class, and the balance travel in reserve. Bansal Group already is successfully running one of the biggest privatized hospitals, which is 350 beds. Any other big hospital that is here. 18 to 20,000 square feet of banquet space. And lastly, I want to introduce this building, which is Bansal 1, which is a mixed-use commercial building. It has 300 local public to invest in this project. Five-star hotels are not going to be monetized immediately and are going to be retained by the organized, zoned and leased by us. I am happy to announce that I am interest from very good brands. Moves around this master plan. The timeline is we have to complete and hand it over in toto to the railways by 2024. So what you see is the actual what is getting built. It is not a computer generated image that you are seeing. It's an actual rendering of the image that has been passed by the Ministry of Railways to be brought here.
Commercial development around the station, called Bansal City Center, is being developed by Bansal Group. The vision is to transform the station into a world-class multi-modal transit hub, elevating passengers' comfort and experience.
This image that you are seeing is showing the inside of the railway station. So railway station in itself is going to be a mini mall, like an airport retail center, but of course it is going to be more centric with food and less by retail. There is a big retail group who has shown interest into exploring, taking up the entire station for leasing, like the airports. So that group is already into the business of a lot of brands which can cause a synergy and can target the customer that is coming to the railway station will be present in this railway station itself.
With airport-like features. The station is situated between NH12 and Hoshaki Specialty Hospital on the east. Bansal 1. Bansal 1 will be a premium commercial center, a tall, imposing 16-story tower. It will house premium office spaces and large retail outlets, alongside facilities like restaurants, spa, gym, and a food court. Retail outlets, the The third and the fourth levels will be multi-level parking. All spaces from the 5th to the 16th floor have been reserved for premium corporate offices. The building will get 2 entry points, one from the station and the other from the main road. The main entrance facing the road will function as a grand drop-off and entry point. The retail spaces are well circulated by a racetrack corridor.